हेलो एवरीवन, अब हम बात करेंगे शाहजहाँ के बारे में। तो शाहजहाँ का टाइम पीरियड है 1628 से लेकर 1658 तक। इसका मदर्स का नाम होता है जगत गोसाई, डॉटर ऑफ राजा उदय सिंह। ही इज़ बेस्ट नॉन फॉर हिज दक्कन एंड फॉरेन पॉलिसी। इसका वाइफ का नाम होता है मुमताज़ महल। 1631 में इन डाइड इन 1631, 3 years आफ्टर शाहजहाँ एसेसन टू द थ्रोन। इसका ओरिजिनल नेम होता है अजुमंद बानो बेगम। शाहजहाँ बिल्ड ताजमहल इन हर मेमोरी इन आगरा इन 1632 से 1653 एडी। उस्ताद अहमद लाहौरी वाज द मैन आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ ताजमहल। 1632 ही डिफीटेड पोर्तुगीज। 1627 ही completely annexed अहमदनगर. His reign is described by French traveler Bernier, also a physician, Tavernier. He visited a total of 6 times, and Italian traveler Niccolo Mansui. Bernier wrote Traveler Travels in Mughal Empire. Tavernier wrote Travels in India. He introduced new administration unit called Chakla. Peter Bundy described famine that occurred during his reign. His reign is said to have marked pinnacle of Mughal dynasty. He is known to have promoted art, culture, and architecture. Architecture built by Shah Jahan. Diwan-e-Aam in Agra, where common people gathered. Diwan-e-Khas, where all important people, king and nobility. Diwan-e-Aam, Hall of Builder Akbar, and later Shah Jahan. Location Agra Fort. Shahjahan, when he shifted capital from Agra to Delhi in 1638, Delhi. Diwan-e-Khas, Hall of Private Audience, Builders and Location. Initially Akbar further enhancement by Shahjahan, Agra Fort, Shahjahan Delhi Fort, Taj Mahal, Musam Burj in Agra Fort. It is also known as Jasmine Tower, where he spent his last years in captivity. The art of decoration called Pitradura became popular during the reign of Shah Jahan. Sheesh Mahal, peacock throne made in elevated part with 1100 kg gold roughly. Okay. उसके बाद द कोहिनूर एंड द पीकॉक थ्रोन बोथ वेर स्टोलन बाय नादिर शाह. कोहिनूर डायमंड, लार्जेस्ट डायमंड इन ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री. मोती मस्जिद एट आगरा फोर्ट. इट इज़ मेड ऑफ मार्बल एंड इज ऑल्सो नॉन एज यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट. एंड बुक बादशाहनामा रिटन बाय Abdul Hamid Lahori during his reign. In 1657, his falling health set off the war of succession among his sons Dara Sikho Aurangzeb Murad Bakhsh. In July 1658, his son Aurangzeb emerged to be victorious. Aurangzeb imprisoned his father in Agra fort, where he died in captivity in 1666 AD. He was buried at Taj Mahal, Agra, next to his wife Mumtaz Tomb. Reason for Shahjahan's imprisonment. तो Shahjahan formally confirmed Dara Sikho as his heir, granting him the title of Shehzada-e-Buland Iqbal, Prince of High Fortune, and wanted him to ascend the throne. लेकिन औरंगजेब इसका खिलाफ था, इसलिए उसको क्या किया, बोला जाओ बेटे तुम कैद में रहो. तो आपका क्लियर होता है. इसका टाइम पीरियड कितना, 1628 से लेकर 1658 तक. अब पढ़ेंगे औरंगजेब के बारे में.